Hey, this is Zach, and this is my Eastern bike check. It's red and black.
So warm.
Yeah. So this is an Eastern Growler, 20.5 top tube.
Oh, wait, just.
Thank you, Clayton, for
Ready? Take two. Ready? Go.
Go.
Okay. I got Eastern bars, 8.25, 27 wide. I got my new Animal grips, and bar ends. You know, these things are amazing. Run them on the ground a little bit. This is in the burgundy and black color. I got the Eastern Medusa Light Sprocket, 25/9 gearing, Eastern bird pegs, Primo drive side hub guard. I got
Alright, stop.
God, kid. Okay.
Ready? Zach, bike check. Take three. Ready? Go.
Okay.
Oh, wait. Oh.
Okay, Clayton. Thank you.
It's going good enough.
Red rims, you know, they're candy red, whatever you want to call them. KMC something chain, I don't know.
You need to tighten your chain.
Yeah, I know. It's a little loose. Oh, not there. Whatever.
Really loose.
Tektro brake cable, or brake, you know, lever. God, I'm retarded. Eastern,
Yep.
You gotta have that Eastern brake hanger, or brake, you know, strap.
Holder.
Yeah, that thing. These are Eastern, I think they're shaft cranks, or...
Yeah, they should be.
Yeah, something like that. I don't know. They came on the bike. And, oh yeah, and I got the little blue valve caps.
Yeah, sweet.
Eastern hubs.
Don't even match your bike.
So, alright, I'm Zach.
Stupid.
This is my bike check.